been wanting to explore Dead Lakes after we moved here to Florida. I'm wanting to photograph alligators and just explore it. It's a neat, kind of unusual lake. It's kind of connected to a river system, the Chipola and Apalachicola River system. But we don't have our boat that's capable of that right now. So I bought a kayak, and Ed found out with his 6'4" frame, we're gonna have to spend over $1,000 for a kayak for him to be comfortable. So he decided to build his own boat so we could play in Dead Lakes. More testing with the new John boat. Got a little small trolling motor on it now. A little windy today, so we won't do a whole lot. And we got storms coming this afternoon. The other handy thing about Ed's boat, if I don't want to paddle, just get up alongside him and go.
I wonder how well it'll push both of us. You have to hang on a little tighter.
I hate grabbing these trees like that without getting a look. I did that a few days ago. There's a huge spider, and I have no idea what kind. I don't think he wasn't one of the poisonous kinds, but still, I'd honestly, personally, rather see a gator up close to the boat than a spider. And I know that sounds very warped, but it's me, and I'm trying to get over that fear of spiders because there's a lot down here, and I can't say that I'm doing better. But if I ever tip my kayak due to panic, it will be because of the spider. Okay, we're checking the crawdad traps. And we got some damage and no fish. Something rather large got a hold of it and ate the fish out of it. So turtle or gator?
Big hole in it.
They crushed it. See if I can get a closer of that. So this is a new one for us. Something else wanted it more than we did. It crushed it on both sides.
Oh.
Is that turtle or gator?
Could be anything.
I'm working on getting the other trap up. Hopefully a gator or turtle didn't get this one.
Nothing. But something worked on the trap.
Let me see. Or let the GoPro see it.
Now we're out in some daylight. Better look at the traps. Pretty sure it's going to be a turtle did the damage.
Because of the pinches, the way the...
Yeah, the way it's pinched. And the other trap, you can actually see it even better. Didn't get in the trap, but this is like the perfect pinch right here, where it just pinched.
So we're going to go turtle and not a small gator. Either way, it definitely destroyed one of the traps.
Did a pretty good job on both of them.
We'll see you on our next crawdad fishing trip, kayak, snorkeling, diving, whatever our next adventure is. Hit that subscribe button. See you later.